BMW S1000 RR Aquapovic exhaust. Quick shifter up and down. I'm excited. Oh yeah, I'm at Freedom Powersports in Fort Worth, Texas. So big shout out to them. Cool, they got a guy following us with a GoPro also. Clutch has a pretty good pull on it. A little heavy, but in a good way. Okay, first things first, full on sport bike, it is comfortable. Like, it's still a sport bike. It ain't naked comfortable, but I don't have a lot of pressure on my wrist. Right now the bike seems really quiet, even with a Akropovic exhaust. And my next bike will be a sport bike. I just haven't decided which one. Still haven't ridden the CBR 1000 RR yet, the 2017 CBR 1000 RR. That 9T is nice. Oh man, bro, these quick shifters, man. Same way going down, bro. I like that. Bro, these quick oh my goodness. And check out how pretty this bike is. Oh, quick shifter. Oh, back to the bike. Still smooth. I'm getting a little bit of heat behind me. Like the bike's getting a little warm, but not nothing terrible at all. Oh, that's a bumpy one. Man, that 9T right there sounds amazing. Trucks are just killing the ride. Bike just wants to go. Like you can feel it. It's just it's a warm bike. It's getting progressively warmer. We're at almost 200 degrees. Now my Monster A21, it gets warm. I mean, it gets hot to say the least. So I'm not saying this bike gets that hot, but I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm gonna try the at GS800 next, because these bumpy roads not meant for a sport bike. I'm trying to let y'all hear this bike song. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. This is a hot bike. It's getting to feel just like my Monster at 21. Like, how do guys ride these bikes in shorts, man? Dude, hold on. Let's see something. Okay, second gear. Never mind, I thought this bike had like a double tap where I could double tap it down and it automatically goes into neutral. That's what I thought was going on. But I mean, I still like this bike, but as of right now, I rode the Yamaha R1 last year. I'm gonna ride it again, and I really like the R6. So, like, I mean, these 1000s, especially this bike, you wouldn't use a quarter of this on the road. So, I mean, that's just kind of the truth behind it. I was hoping for some freeway action, but I don't think we're going to get any of this test ride. BMW S1000 RR.